let's start up DailySelfie. Here we can see the program starts up and there is no images yet. So let's then take an image. So we're starting up the camera application and we take the first image. There we go. And then we can see how it is captured here. And we can also go to the storage and see under pictures. Here we can scroll down and we can see the file is saved into the file system. If we go back again, we can go out from the application and open the gallery. And here we should find a picture in the gallery as well. So it's also available for other media should it be needed. Okay, we should go back again. And there is a function once we have started up the application and taking a picture or an image, then there is an alarm notification that is started up. And this alarm notification is the time is 2 minutes. So we can see the clock is ticking down. So let's wait for it. It will soon fire an alarm. Then we can take more pictures. I can also say that should we get a file here that is empty, then the application will take care of that as well and remove it automatically to keep the memory fresh. Okay. There we hear the rooster and we can see here up in the notification. So let's open that. Time for another selfie. Okay. Then we take a picture and we can also see here if there are some other information. More info on the menu. We'll go back there. Okay, let's take another selfie. Starting up the camera application again. And we can take one, should we take this one here? Okay. So, and you can see that the notification alarm is set again. And if I want to zoom up the pictures, we can see here it's zoomed up, or I can go back. I can zoom up that one as well. And I also have a possibility, if I want, I can toggle the screen. You can see that it's still working fine. And then let's go back again. So, and I can also show you another function here. If I want to take another picture. So, okay. I changed my mind and you see that this is not changing any pictures. Let's take another one. I can actually take the picture and now you can see there is a 0 here. But if I don't want to have it, I just go back again and the temporary file will be removed. So this is a good function to have. And I can also take a picture like this. We take that one. Okay, I accept it. zoom it up again, and I was not really satisfied, so we have a delete button here. So then we take it away again. So you can really manage your selfies. And yeah, we say we should check under the menu button. Here I can also manually activate notification, and I can cancel it and put it on again, but otherwise I use the automatic function, so every time I take a selfie there is a new alarm fired. And I have another function here, I can delete all the selfies if I don't want to have them. We can actually do that. See, let's see, they are gone. And what happened here, we can also see that the pictures was taken away from the file. But remember that we actually activated the alarm before, so we should soon get a new alarm. If everything is okay. I can actually pause the video here for a while. Here we can see we have got the notification again. The time is a little bit further, so let's go down. And now we take a couple of selfies. Okay, we accept that one. Then we know that the time is 11:48 now, so 11:50 something. We can see here also the timestamp on the selfie. It's 11:48:04. Yeah, let's take a couple of selfies when we are waiting for the alarm. So I can take another one, and we can also see that the time is ticking. So 11:48 should be 11:50 something. We should get the rooster to scream again. So yeah, how about going back and wait then? It's yeah, it takes some time to wait. There's no problem. We can just to see that all the functions are really working. And we can see those two, the timestamp here is 11:48, yeah, and this is also visible here in the timestamp. And this timestamp is also visible in the list later on. Waiting for the rooster, waiting for the rooster. Come on, rooster. Oop. Click on the screen to keep it alive. So, soon 2 minutes gone. There it comes. And then we open up. Okay, and then we take a selfie. You can see that the empty file is created, and let's take a file here. Okay, there it is, and we accept that, and we can see that the image is ready in, and I can zoom it up as well, and looks okay, so we keep it. And I will just take a couple of quick when we're waiting for the next, just to see that we can also scroll the list even if we fill it up. Oh, a green one, that's good. We take that one. And we can see that the notification alarm is on, which is just a reminder. So and we take another one. So we can see that I can actually scroll the list nicely. I'll take one more so we see it's working. There we are. So, and you can also see that I've done the program so the last one is coming last, but if I then see, oh, this selfie was actually not so good, I can take it away, and then the list is contracted, so we keep it nicely. Okay, and yeah, let me see here now. The last one we took was 11:52, so we should have alarm coming soon again. Even if the application is open, the alarm is still working, so we can just wait for that as a final check. Oh, I can also go into the file and scroll it a little bit. So see how many do we have here? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah. Seems to be okay. Let's wait for the rooster. Oop, now it gets dark again. No problem. Seems to be a long screencast. Maybe I need to do a shorter one as well, if it's too long. There it comes, yeah. And then we just click it away, and okay. That was that. And we can also see if I go out of the program and I go in again, all the selfies are there. Okay.